Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess. And today we are going to make some gold and black wall decor. This is going to go in the room that I told y'all about that I'm making. I don't know what the room is going to be, but whatever I do, it is going to coincide with whatever, I make the room out of. Y'all know sometimes I'm just going on inspiration, basically. So we're going to use some foam board. I painted it black with some spray paint, the Rust-Oleum spray paint. And then we're going to use these black and gold mirrored tiles. Now the gold ones, they came from decor.com a long time ago, and the black ones came from AliExpress, and they were expensive, y'all, because it is hard to find black glass tile that is this small or whatever. It was hard to find that. We're going to use our gold mirrored tile, and I did get this from decor.com as well. We're going to use some glitter, maybe. And these like octagon shapes, they're gold mirrors that I got from Amazon. We're going to use our all-purpose clear glue, and we're going to use these beautiful gems that I got from Amazon. Okay, y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to outline we're going to use glue sticks and glue gun as well, but we're going to outline our board here with these tiles. Glam fam, so what we're gonna do is let this dry, and then we are going to, I made 3 more, so we're gonna hang these up, and hopefully they look so cute in my room. So stay tuned. Okay, Glam fam, so check out the end result of these 2 pieces. They are absolutely gorgeous. I am so happy with the result, y'all. I told y'all that I am changing one of the rooms up in my house, so this is going to be one of the things that I put in there. It is so pretty, y'all. So if y'all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find her like this, oh God? You still ain't got a problem, my dog.